In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel scheduled emails in Gmail. We'll go through each step carefully, so by the end, you'll be able to manage your messages with ease. First, let's navigate to Gmail. Open your preferred web browser, whether it's Chrome, Firefox, or Safari, and type in gmail.com in the address bar. Once your Gmail inbox loads up, you'll want to ensure you're signed into the correct account. Look in the upper right corner to confirm your account identity just to be sure. Now, you may have a list of emails in front of you. To focus on your scheduled emails specifically, glance over at the left-hand sidebar. Here you will find a variety of labels such as Inbox, Sent, and Drafts. Scroll down this list a bit until you see the label named Scheduled. Click on it. Upon clicking the Scheduled folder, all your emails that are set to be sent later will appear. This is where Gmail places those messages, waiting patiently for their designated time to deliver them. The next step involves identifying the email you wish to cancel. Scroll through the list, and when you spot the email you're considering canceling, click to open it. This opens the detailed view of your email, showing the body and header. Within this view, there should be an option at the top that reads Cancel Send. Go ahead and click on this button. Doing so will halt the delivery process, effectively moving the email back to your drafts. Once in your drafts folder, the email is accessible to be edited or deleted entirely. If you decide to reschedule, you can do so by clicking on the draft, opening the scheduling options, and choosing a new date and time for sending. If you ever need to access your drafts, simply return to the sidebar and click on the drafts label. It's always a neat way to track what's pending and what might need further editing before being sent off. Remember, canceling a scheduled email can be handy for tweaking those last-minute changes or rethinking the timing of your message. It provides you with flexibility, ensuring no messages are sent unless you're absolutely ready. This whole process empowers you to control your scheduled communications more effectively, ensuring you maintain accuracy and professionalism in your correspondence. And that wraps up our guide for today. I hope this tutorial helps you cancel scheduled emails in Gmail without a hitch. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks on managing your digital communications efficiently. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.